This stuff's called baccarod, and it's just foam that you use to fill these gaps. Just so you use less caulk, and plus caulk's only made to fill so big of a space anyway. Then there's these really big holes here, so for those I have to use spray foam. Alright, caulked around the outside. Did the best I could considering I was being attacked by bees the whole time. These ones are lost, they can't get back in, so they're kind of pissed off at me. But this will keep the bees out, it'll keep the water out, and hopefully I won't have to mess with this again. So hopefully you found this helpful, and thanks for watching.